Next, inverse trigonometric functions. In this important properties, we have some properties. Property 1, in that 1 to 6, sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse, sec inverse, cosec inverse, up to this. So sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta if theta belongs to minus 90 to plus 90. In this domain, sin inverse of sin cancelled equal to theta. If theta belongs to not this, not theta, another value come. Here also, cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta. If theta belongs to 0 to 5, other values not accepted. Below 0, above 5 not accepted. Including 0, including 5. Here including minus 5 by 2, including 5 by 2, in between values these. And whereas tan inverse theta is equal to, tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. Here if theta belongs to open bracket minus 90 to plus 90. 90 also not accepted. You check here tan 90 infinity. Tan inverse infinity also does not exist. So that's why these values not accepted. In between values it exists. Suppose consider any value in this, 0 in between this. Tan 0, 0. Tan inverse of 0 also 0. 0 coming. Any other value. Suppose 5 by 4. Here substitute 5 by 4. Tan inverse of tan 5 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. Why? Because tan 5 by 4 1. Tan inverse of 1 5 by 4 again. Theta is the 5 by 4 come. So only this value exists, otherwise not exist. Here cot inverse of cot theta is equal to theta. If theta belongs to 0 to 5, 0 to 5, not 0, not 5, in between 0 to 5, above 0, below 5, this means. Here sec inverse of sec theta, sec inverse sec cancelled to theta when theta belongs to 0, 5 in these values, including 0 and 5. Cosec inverse of cosec theta is equal to theta if theta belongs to 90, minus 90 to plus 90. These are the domains. In this domain, these inverse are equal to theta. These are the existing formulas, existing values. After that, property 2. Here, property 2, 1, sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Here, first sin only, not inverse. Here inverse first, here not inverse. Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec in the order. Sin of sin inverse x is equal to x. Sin inverse cancelled. It is equal to x. When it is x, in the domain x belongs to minus 1 to 1 only. If not value in this, not x. If we overcome 1 above value 2, sin inverse 2, sin of sin inverse 2 is equal to 2, not correct. In minus 1 to 1, in between value 0, suppose any value, in between that 0 take. Sin inverse 0, 0, sin 0, 0, here 0 coming. Yes, in between values it can be exist, otherwise not exist. Here also cos of cos inverse x is equal to x, whereas x belongs to minus 1 to 1. Here tan of tan inverse x is equal to x. Here x belongs to r. These two formulas different. Tan cot of cot inverse x is equal to x. Tan of tan inverse x is equal to x. These two values are x. First of all, when if x belongs to r, here also x belongs to r. R means real line, completely real line. Minus infinity to plus infinity open bracket. This means R means x belongs to open bracket minus infinity to infinity. It is the real value symbol. Here open bracket, not minus infinity, not plus infinity, in between values. These are finite numbers, minus infinity to plus infinity. It is the real axis. Real axis. Left side values, right values. All are exist. X belongs to R. Suppose here 5, here 6, 90, 100, 2000. Any real value number can be exist here. Tan inverse x, cot inverse x here. Tan of tan inverse x is equal to x, whereas x belongs to R. Cot of cot inverse x is equal to x, whereas x belongs to R. Sec of sec inverse x is equal to x. This if x belongs to R, deleted minus 1 to 1. So you accept these values. Sec of sec inverse x is equal to x, other than not belongs to x. Cosec inverse x, here cancelled x. If x belongs to R, in that R deleted minus 1 to 1. Here also minus 1 to 1 deleted from the real line. Other than it is not equal to x. These are the important formulas. Next property 3. Reciprocal inverse identities. These names are reciprocal inverse identities. Here number 1, sin inverse of 1 by x. 1 by x is the reciprocal term. So sin opposite is the cosec. So sin inverse 1 by x is written as cosec inverse of x. When if x belongs to R, deleted minus 1 to 1. Then sin inverse of 1 by x is equal to cosec inverse x. That value x belongs to R, deleted minus 1 to 1. Open bracket that. Next, cos inverse of 1 by x is equal to secant inverse x. If this is also x belongs to all real values except minus 1 to 1, deleted minus 1 to 1 values. Here tan inverse of 1 by x is equal to cot inverse x. If x greater than 0, cot inverse x, x less than 0, negative, then add the minus 5 plus cot inverse x. Here x negative means it is in the third quadrant. Third quadrant, consider minus 5 plus alpha. Alpha is here cot inverse x. You keep in mind, x is positive, cot inverse x. X is negative, minus 5 plus cot inverse x. This formula. Property 4, number 1, sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x. Here minus x for the inverse functions. Sin inverse of minus x minus sin inverse x. If x belongs to minus 1 to 1 only, not other values, not more than 1, not less than minus 1. Here cos inverse of minus x, 5 minus cos inverse x. Whereas x belongs to minus 1 to 1, close bracket. These are same values. Here tan inverse of minus x minus tan inverse x. Here x belongs to all values, any value. Cot inverse minus x. Here 5 minus cot inverse x. Whereas x belongs to R, both x belongs to R here. But here minus tan inverse x, here 5 minus cot inverse x. Next, sec inverse of minus x. This also 5 minus sec inverse x if x greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1 means other way x belongs to R. From the R deleted minus 1 to 1. Cosec inverse of minus x. Here minus cosec inverse x. If x modulus greater than or equal to 1. Otherwise x belongs to R, deleted minus 1 to 1. Remember these all formulas. Property 5, that name is cofunction inverse identities. Cofunction, sin cofunction is the cos, tan cofunction is the cot, Sec co-function is the cosec. Sin inverse x, its co-function is cos inverse x. So this summation is equal to 5 by 2, where x belongs to minus 1 to 1. These are conditions. Minus 1 to 1, this value is 5 by 2. No more than 1, not less than minus 1. Then sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to 5 by 2. How? Proof of 1. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to 5 by 2. Here, this proof, let sin inverse x is equal to theta implies this sin inverse in this side sin theta. So x is equal to sin theta. Okay, sin theta is equal to x. In another way, sin theta is equal to left to x is the right. Sin theta in cos terms, cos of 90 minus theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. First quadrant cos 90 minus theta. First quadrant, it is the y-axis, cos per sine, it is minus first quadrant, cos per sine is equal to x as it is. The sin theta in terms of cos 90 minus theta is equal to x. Now this cos send it to outside. So 5 by 2 minus theta is equal to cos inverse of x coming. This outside cos inverse x. Then this theta, whereas theta is the sin inverse x. 5 by 2 minus sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse x. After that, this sin inverse x send outside. 5 by 2 is equal to sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. After that, you take in this side sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to 5 by 2. Hence proved. Similarly, remaining 2 also we can prove. Similarly, we prove that second and third. Okay. Sin inverse, its co-function cos inverse 5 by 2. Tan inverse, its co-function cot inverse, it is equal to 5 by 2. Here sec inverse, its co-function cos inverse x is equal to 5 by 2. Sin cos, tan cot, sec cosec is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. So you understand this proof, sin inverse x is equal to theta later, then sin theta is equal to x. This is converted to cos. After this, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Then take cos outside cos inverse x. Then we will get the formula. Here property 6. First one, sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y is equal to sin inverse of x under root 1 minus y square plus y under root of 1 minus x square, where either x square plus y square less than or equal to 1, otherwise xy less than 0. These are the conditions. Here minus only difference. Here plus, here minus. In this case minus also difference. Here property, first property same, but here xy greater than 0. This is the greater than 0. So we prove 1. Similarly, we can prove that this also. Only 1 is enough here. Proof sin inverse x plus sin inverse of y is equal to sin inverse of x under root of 1 minus y square plus y under root of 1 minus x square. Now LHS is the sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. Let sin inverse x is equal to A, sin inverse y is equal to B. So here x is equal to sin A. Here y is equal to sin B.
Then what is the cos A value? Sin A is equal to x. Then cos A is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square A. Under root of 1 minus sin square A. So cos A is equal to, in terms of x, under root of sin A is the x, 1 minus x square. Similar to this, sin B is equal to y is the, otherwise y is equal to sin B, it is written as 1 minus cos square B. Y is equal to under root of 1 minus cos B is the y square. Sin inverse y is equal to B, y is equal to sin B, then cos B is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square B. So cos B is equal to under root of 1 minus y square. Sin B is the y square. This is the second. So in right side also sin inverse. Here sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. Consider this sin inverse. Sin inverse means consider sin of A plus B, where A is the sin inverse x, B is the sin inverse y. Here consider sin A plus B formula. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the trigonometric formula, sin A plus B. So now sin A plus B is equal to sin A what? Sin A what? Otherwise this also you write sin of A is the sin inverse x, B is the sin inverse y. So sin A is the x, cos B is the 1 minus y square plus cos A is the 1 minus x square under root, 1 minus x square under root. Sin B is the y. Okay, substitution only. Then sin removed here, sent to right side. Then sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y is equal to this sin in this side, sin inverse of x under root of 1 minus y square plus this y right first here, y under root of 1 minus x square. Yes, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y in terms of only sin inverse x under root of 1 minus y square, x under root of 1 minus y square plus y under root of 1 minus x square. Remember this formula. Here 2 sin inverse x and y, here sin inverse x and y. Similarly we can prove that second also. Okay, in the property 6, another third formula, fourth formula, 1 to completed, third, fourth. Here cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. Here cos inverse x minus cos inverse y. Same, both models same, but only minus plus difference. Here plus, here minus, here minus, here plus. Conditions also different. First condition for this, x plus y always positive, greater than 0. Otherwise x greater than equal to minus y. After that here plus, so here condition x always less than or equal to y, less than y, otherwise x is equal to y. So we prove that first one. Similarly we can prove that second also. Proof for third, what we prove, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse of xy minus under root of 1 minus x square under root of 1 minus y square. Okay, now let cos inverse x is equal to a, cos inverse of y is equal to b, before problem like that. So here x is equal to cos a, here y is equal to cos b. Okay, so then sin a is equal to what coming? Under root of 1 minus cos square a, sin a value under root of 1 minus cos square a. That means cos square a means x square. So sin a value under root of 1 minus x square if cos a is equal to x. Similarly that sin b is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square b, that is 1 minus y square. Okay, from this consider which formula? Here cos term, cos inverse, so this side cos of a plus b, so consider cos of a plus b. Cos a plus b formula, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, we know that formula. Now cos of, what is the a? A is the cos inverse x plus b is the cos inverse y is equal to cos a is the x, cos b is the y minus sin a under root of 1 minus x square, sin b under root of 1 minus y square. Now this cos sent to right side, this cos in this right side cos inverse, so remaining cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse of xy minus under root of 1 minus x square under root of 1 minus y square. Whereas these conditions x plus y greater than equal to 0, this is the main condition here. X greater than equal to, x plus y greater than equal to 0. This is the formula. Similarly, fourth also we can prove that. So in the property 6, another fifth, sixth formulas. Here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to, in terms of tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Here minus, here plus. Just minus plus difference here. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Here first condition xy not equal to 1. It is less than 1. If it is equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Something by 0 infinity. Here also xy is not equal to minus 1. That's why xy minus 1 above. Here xy below 1. This below 1. 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 4 like that. Here also above minus 1 means above minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Suppose 0 here. 1 plus 0, not infinity. If it is minus 1, 0 coming. Something by 0 infinity does not exist. That's why these are the conditions. We prove that at least one formula. Proof for the fifth. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Here consider, before going to that, let tan inverse x is equal to a, then tan a is equal to x. Here tan inverse y is equal to, let b, tan b is equal to y. Okay. After that consider tan formula. Tan of a plus b, this formula we know, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So tan of, what is the a? Tan inverse x plus b tan inverse y is equal to tan a value x, tan b value y, 1 minus tan a x tan b y. So we remove the tan here, send right side, it's tan inverse coming. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. That formula. Once again, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to, in terms of tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Similarly that tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Next children's, property 7, that is the 2 tan inverse x is equal to, in terms of tan inverse without constant, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, this x term involved here constant 2 send inside, then 2x by 1 minus x square coming. Here 2 tan inverse x is equal to, in terms of cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, where x greater than or equal to 0 condition. 2 tan inverse x formula in terms of sin inverse 2xy 1 plus x square, where x less than or equal to 1. This means x lies between minus 1 to 1. Here these conditions mod x less than 1. Mod x less than 1 means x minus 1 to 1 open bracket. If any value considered is below 1, you take any another value without 1. So 2 take. If you taking 2 here, 2 into 2 4, 4 by 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 4. So negative coming. So how much 2 into 2 by 1 minus 4? It is 4 by minus 3. 4 by minus 3. This value. But here 2 tan inverse of 4 by 3 minus 3. So this cannot be exist. This value cannot be exist. Here if x greater than or equal to 0, it is the formula applicable. If x is equal to any value less than 0 means minus 1 consider. Minus 1, how much it is the greater than 0. Minus 1 means here minus 1 square 1 minus 1, 0 by something, cos inverse 0. Cos inverse 0 means 90. So you substitute here tan 90 infinity coming. In this side 0, in this side infinity. Does not exist. Here also mod x less than or equal to minus 1 to 1, this value, x value. So any value take outside. Suppose x is equal to in these values, x is equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2 by 1 plus 1, 2, 2 by 2, 1. So sin inverse of 1. This domain minus 1 to 1, it can be exist. So here sin inverse of 1 how much? 90. So here this value totally 90. So 2 into 5 by 4. X value how much consider 1? Tan inverse 1 is the 5 by 4. 5 by 4 into 2, 5 by 2 coming. Both are equal. If another values you put here, not satisfied. That's why these are the conditions. So these formulas came from here. Sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta in terms of tan only. In terms of tan, where sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta. 2 theta is the multiple of theta. That's why sin 2 theta in terms of theta, that only in tan theta. Sin 2 theta what? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Here tan 2 theta 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So sin by cos, this by this, 1 plus tan square cancelled, 2 tan by 1 minus tan square theta coming. So these are the previous formulas. From this we prove these formulas. So number 1, proof 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. It is correct or not? Here let tan inverse x is equal to theta. Tan inverse x is equal to theta. Then x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. Otherwise tan theta is equal to x. Okay. So he asking in terms of tan inverse. So consider tan 2 theta. Consider tan 2 theta formula. Tan 2 theta formula this 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So tan of 2, whereas theta is the tan inverse x. Tan of 2 tan inverse x is equal to 2 tan theta is the x, 2xy. This is the x square. Okay. Now this tan taking right side, tan inverse coming. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. This is the one of the formula. 2 tan inverse x. For elimination of 2 in terms of tan inverse, 2x by 1 minus x square. That's all only. Remaining. Next to cos 2 theta. Second proof. 2 tan inverse x in terms of cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Now we prove this. Similarly, let tan inverse x is equal to theta, then x is equal to tan theta. So here right side cos inverse. Consider cos 2 theta. Consider cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This formula. So cos of 2 theta. Theta is the tan inverse x is equal to 1 minus tan theta is the x. 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. This cos convert to this side. 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. This is the second formula. 2 tan inverse x in terms of cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Now third is this one. So let here tan inverse x is equal to theta, then x is equal to tan theta. So here right side sin inverse. So sin inverse here. So consider sin 2 theta. Consider sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So sin of, whereas 2 theta is the 2 tan inverse x is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square, where x is the tan theta. So this sign send outside. 2 tan inverse x is equal to 2x by sin in this side sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. So all these formulas proved by these formulas. Property 8th. Sin inverse of 2x under root 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sin inverse x, whereas x lies between minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. This is the condition. Sin inverse same 2x under root 1 minus x square 2 cos inverse x. Here x value 1 by root 2 and 1 in between that. So first one proof. Sin inverse of 2x under root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sin inverse x. We prove this. So here important formula, sin 2 theta formula in terms of sin cos 2 sin theta cos theta. This is the important formula. Here, first one, let sin inverse x is equal to theta. Then what happened? X is equal to sin theta. Then cos theta is equal to what coming? Under root of 1 minus x square. Cos theta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square. Sin square is the x square. So x is the sin theta. Root of 1 minus x square is the cos theta. These are the two values of sin and cos. Now consider sin 2 theta to sin theta cos theta. In this sin of 2 theta is what? Sin inverse x. 2 sin inverse x is equal to 2, where sin theta is the x, cos theta is the under root of 1 minus x square. Here sin, take right side, 2 sin inverse of x is equal to this outside sin inverse of 2x under root of 1 minus x square. So 2 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x under root of 1 minus x square. It is proved. Here RHS, here LHS, same formula. After that, second proof. What is given? Sin inverse of 2x under root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 cos inverse x. Let here cos theta is equal to x. Cos inverse x theta is equal to x. Then x is equal to cos theta. Before let sin inverse theta is equal to x. Okay na? Otherwise cos inverse x is equal to theta, then cos theta is equal to x, then under root of 1 minus x square is equal to sin theta. Sin theta is the under root of 1 minus cos square, that is the 1 minus x square. Again consider sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta is the cos inverse x is equal to 2 sin theta is the under root of 1 minus x square, cos theta is the x. So from this 2 cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2 this x under root of 1 minus x square. So here 2 cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x 1 minus x square. Hence proved. In this property 9, first one, sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse of under root 1 minus x square. It is simple. So here 0 to 1 only. Equal to 0, above 0, equal to 1, below 1. You check in this 0, substitute here. 1 minus 0, 1. Cos inverse of 1. Cos inverse of 1 means how much? Cos inverse of 1. 0 degrees. Here 0. Sin inverse 0, 0. Both are equal. Suppose you put here 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Cos inverse 0. Cos 90, 0. 90 degrees. Here also sin 90. Sin inverse of 1. It is also 90. Both are equal. Here all checking method, you take x values and substitute here both are equal or not. So sin inverse x, cos inverse x of 1 minus x square and root 2. It is correct or not? Just observe. Sin inverse x in terms of cos inverse x. Let sin inverse x is equal to theta. Then sin theta is equal to x. Then cos theta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. This is cos theta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square is the x square. So theta is equal to cos inverse of under root 1 minus x square, where theta is the sin inverse x. Sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square under root. This is the formula. All are similar to that. We can prove sin inverse x is the cos inverse of under root 1 minus x square. Here minus cos inverse under root of 1 minus x square. If minus 1 to 0, here 0 to 1 this formula, minus 1 to 0 this formula. Sin inverse in terms of tan inverse, where x minus 1 to 1 only. How we consider? Consider the angle. It is the sin inverse x. Take the triangle. Take the triangle. Here let sin inverse x is equal to a, sin a is equal to x by 1. So this is the angle a, opposite x, hypotenuse 1. This is under root of 1 minus x square according to Pythagoras theorem. Then tan a is equal to what coming? tan A is equal to x by under root of 1 minus x square. Then A is equal to tan inverse of x by under root of 1 minus x square coming. So whereas A is the sin inverse x. So sin inverse x in terms of tan inverse x by under root of 1 minus x square. So all are taking from the triangle, we can prove this also. So no need of proof for this, you remember this formula. Here prove that 5 by 2 less than or equal to sin inverse x plus 2 cos inverse x is equal to or less than 3 5 by 2. So consider middle value sin inverse x plus 2 cos inverse x. Okay, so this is written as sin inverse x plus from this split cos inverse x one another cos inverse x. So from this sin inverse x cos inverse x value 5 by 2 plus cos inverse x. Okay, this is the equal to sin inverse x plus 2 cos inverse x value. Now actually cos inverse x lies between 0 to 5. This is the fundamental formula. Cos inverse x lies between 0 and 5. Now here cos inverse x plus 5 by 2 having this function value 5 by 2 plus cos inverse x. So here 5 by 2 need, you adding 5 by 2 in inequality. 5 by 2 addition, 5 by 2 plus 0 less than or equal to 5 by 2 plus cos inverse x. In this side also 5 by 2 adding 5. Here 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 5 by 2. So now 5 by 2 less than or equal to 5 by 2 plus cos inverse of x is equal to 5 by 2, 5, 2 5 plus 5, 3 5 by 2. So this value is totally given function sin x plus 2 cos inverse x is the 5 by 2 plus cos inverse x. This value lies between 5 by 2 to 3 5 by 2. This value. Hence proved.